Hello, Dave. My name is Brad, and I want to go over your web page with you. Try to do this as quickly as possible. Um, the information I'm going to send to you is free information that you can use yourself. But by the end of this video, if you find that you want more information about this, I'll give you more information on how to contact me. Um, this video is pretty much to show you how you can make more money with your web page. So we're going to start out with something that's called content. And as you can see, I have your web page up here. And the content is how many words you have on your web page. Google requires, or doesn't require, but is asking for 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page to be ranked on Google. With this in mind, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy your URL up here, and I'm going to put it over here in this tool called Word Count. Word Count is a free tool that you can get off the internet and download. There's several different ones out there. But as you see, I just copied and pasted your URL in here. You guys have 118 words on your web page. And again, Google, to stay in good standings with them and be on top of the world, so to speak, they want 1,500 to 2,000 words. With that in mind, I'm going to go over here with your competition, Riverstone Roofing, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to copy and paste and see how many words they have. They have 362 words on their web page. And since we're here, I'm going to do one more company because these guys, I did a little research and I'll explain that to you later. Um, what you can do with the proper amount of words. Okay. Okay, so they have 698 words. Okay, now with this in mind, I'm going to go over here to a thing called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, however, is not a free tool. It costs me approximately $200 a month to run this. And you can see I have your URL copied in here. And what this does is bring up all the information about your web page. Okay, so you don't have any organic keywords, you don't have any backlinks, and I'll explain this to you here shortly. I'm going to go over here to your competitor. They have 233 backlinks, 14 keywords, which is what it does is saying that they're getting $3 per month approximately from their web page from this area right here. This right here is called Mappets. I see you are located right here in the fourth spot. Um, A-Team Commercial, I didn't use them. I used Riverstone because they do more of what you guys do. Um, I could go through all these, but again, this is called Mappets. This is the second place that people are going to click on. This down here, however, is called the organic. Okay, so like I said, the organic keywords right here. This is the first place people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. I'm just going to scroll through here quick just to see if I can find you guys on here. And I'm not seeing you guys on the first page. I'll go to the second. And again, I'm not seeing you right off. So it's very important if you want to bring more income, more revenue into your business to get ranked in this area. Okay. So again, I'm not seeing you on the first or second page. I'm going to go over here. This is, I know they're not the same. That's why I didn't use them, but I just wanted to show you what using more words and organic words can do for you. So you see, they have 435 backlinks. I'll get into that shortly. They have 433 keywords, which is bringing them an extra $661 a month off of their website. Um, so with that in mind, I'm going to get a little more in depth here. So a keyword is like you guys are commercial roofers, so I use commercial in the search bar here. Roofing again is a keyword. I use that in the search bar. And again, the organics is down here, and what you would prefer to be, I do believe, is right here, because I do believe you're in business to make money, and that's why you're out there doing this every day. So with enough words and organic keywords, you could easily be right here. And the same with this right here. This is the backlinks area, but with enough backlinks, you could be ranked right here. So again, just to make sure you understand, a keyword is anything people are searching for that goes into a search bar. If you're looking for a restaurant, you would type that in here, hotel room. I think you get the gist of this. So I'm going to go and talk about backlinks next. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty complicated, pretty technical, but basically all it is a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your webpage wins the race. So these guys have a lot of backlinks. That's why they're in the #1 spot here. And if you remember back here, these guys have 435 backlinks. Okay. And again, I don't have them up there because they're not commercial, but that's what makes a difference here on being ranked right up here. So again, getting enough backlinks, enough keywords and words on your webpage is going to get you here and right here. So basically what I'm seeing here with your website, you need more backlinks and you need more keywords to be ranked up in this area. And again, to bring you in more money on your webpage. I'm going to go back over to your webpage once again. You don't have any backlinks, you don't have any keywords. So this could drastically change for you. It's going to bring you more clients, is what it's going to do, because they're going to find you more easily in this area down here. And again, Google says this is the first place that people are going to click on, is in this organic area. I'm going to close out with this just to show you what's going on with your website. If you want more information about this, you can contact me at 608-574-2784, or I'm going to be sending this video to you per an email that you can just simply refer to the email or reply to the email. I'm sorry about that. And get more information, or like I said, this information is excellent for you to use yourself to help build a web page. You want your web page to look a little bit more like this to bring more results to you. With that in mind, I am going to close out. I wish you a great